In this video, I will be showing you how to create a report card in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva templates homepage and navigate directly to the search bar at the top. I'm going to type in report card to browse the available designs. As the results appear, I'll scroll down to explore the different layouts, ranging from colorful preschool cards to more formal academic reports. I found a simple homeschool report card template that works perfectly, so I'll click on it to see the preview. Everything looks good, so I'll go ahead and click Customize this template to bring it into my workspace. Once the editor loads, I want to personalize the colors. I'll click on the main border and open the color panel on the left. I'm choosing white to replace the original brown, then putting a stroke weight for each subject box. Next, I'll move down to the bottom of the document, removing the projects/activities column and text under the remarks and leave it blank for the teacher to write. Next, I'll delete the grammar section and adjust the spacing for each boxes to look clean. To finish the look, I'll update the typography. I'm selecting the report card title at the top and opening the font menu to search for Montserrat. Next, I'll select the subject headers and the grading key, changing those to a classic Times New Roman style to give the card a more traditional academic feel. With these simple adjustments, the design is complete and ready to be shared. And that's how you create a beautiful, customized report card that your clients will absolutely love.